have heard my customers say that PEX fittings are an import commodity with race to the bottom pricing. I'm here to tell you it does not have to be that way. With the continued shutdowns of manufacturing facilities overseas and even lockdowns of whole cities, it is way past time to shorten the supply chain. One of our core values is Made in America Matters, and the 2020s have shown us how important that is. Right now, we have the opportunity to provide an American-made PEX product, superior in quality to the import, competitive in pricing, with the same customer service you have come to expect from us. Although these are not repair or replacement parts, this is a way for you to offer your customer the same American-made quality that we have provided the professional for years. We have partnered with Wieland Chase for years. We are here at their Forgeworks Foundry to give you a glimpse of what goes into making their Water Armor PEX fittings. The same way we love the quality of the raw brass rod they deliver to us, we love what they're doing right here. Using Wieland Chase's Eco Bronze, which has the tensile strength of stainless steel, these forged fittings are superior to the imports in the market. Having these PEX fittings made in America solves supply chain issues as well as gives you a superior quality product with a price that's as competitive to anything on the market. We want to offer the plumbing wholesaler the best of both worlds. We are here with Tom Christie, Wieland Chase VP and GM of Forgeworks, to ask him about Water Armor PEX fittings, the how, what, and why. So Tom, tell us, why did you guys start a PEX program?
That's a great question. So we really saw a void in the availability of American-made PEX products. You know, the American plumber wants a high-quality product, ideally made in the U.S. And if you go to most large retail shops, you can't find it. And so, you know, we're fortunate enough to have a brass rod mill just down the road, and we decided the best way to really support that market was to evolve and develop a forging capability to be able to produce PEX fittings right here in Ohio, and then ultimately machine them and supply them to the American plumber to be installed in the U.S.
Awesome. What goes into the manufacturing process of the Water Armor PEX fittings?
Sure, that's a great question. So we actually start with scrap as a raw material. So actually these fittings are made from approximately 94% recycled material. That scrap is then converted to brass rod in our foundry. We'll then take that brass rod down to this location and we'll put it into a forging press. At that point, the brass rod's heated up to temperature, cut to a slug, then inserted into a die. At that point, the die closes, it's put under pressure with punches. That will expand to the cavity, and ultimately then that PEX part gets kicked out and gets put through a cleaning process. The final step is then machining. We'll run it through our machining center, and then ultimately it's packaged and ready for sale.
Are there any certifications that are required for PEX fittings? What kind of certs do you guys go through?
Yeah, so we use certified raw material to ASTM. We use alloy 693, which is Eco Brass. And then we also have our Water Armor fitting line is actually certified to NSF and is approved for PEX applications under the 1807 product line.
What is the part of Water Armor that you're most passionate about?
Well, the thing that I am most excited about is the fact that it's made right here in the USA. We're manufacturing both the raw material, the brass rod, and the fitting here in Ohio. And we're doing it because we know there's an American plumber out there looking for a high quality, well-made, domestic solution for the plumbing fittings. And we can provide that. We've had really positive response across the industry from it. And we're excited to continue to develop that and grow with companies like you.
Yeah. Thank you, Tom. We appreciate your time. We know that you're going to come to love the Water Armor product the same way that you love the quality and the craftsmanship of what we do. And that's why we partner with Wieland Chase, because of the time that they put in and the service they put in to the product. Till the next time, we will see you later.